See, this is the power of technical analysis and price action. When US dollar started going up yesterday and Australian dollar started coming down, market came and took support at this price level. Okay. Anyways, welcome to my channel. Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm the trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD USD, Australian dollar, US dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Australian dollar, US dollar, and we know it very well that there is no proper trend in the market. Market is neither in uptrend nor in downtrend. Rather, if market is in sideways. If we look at the chart, then we can easily see that market is in sideways range. And as I always say, we should always look for the area of value in a chart. If a market is an uptrend, the area of value or the best trading opportunity is always near the support. And if a market is in downtrend, a market is falling, then the area of value or the best trading opportunity to short the market is always near the resistance. But whenever market is in sideways, then what we should do? Where is the area of value? In a sideways market, the area of value is also at the top and also at the bottom. Okay. If you have watched my previous video on AUD USD, then I recommended a buy level at this level. Okay, I recommend a buy at this level, and hopefully you will make money out of it. And if you have bought AUD USD again yesterday at this price level, then you have made a big mistake. Because see, let me clarify. See, there is no doubt that market was having a great support, because if we look at the chart, we can see that market is having support at this price level since April. Okay, since April, market is having support at this price level, or this level is acting as a support. 0.7710, this level. Okay, but remember, I always say, in fact, in my every video, I say that you need to focus on the price also. You need to understand the price. I always say to wait for the confirmation. And if you have watched my previous video and listen to me carefully, then you're safe. Okay. And if you have not, then your stop loss is hit. Because see, undoubtedly market was having support, and when market reversed from this particular point on 24th, I recommended a buy when market will give you the when market gave you the confirmation, that only. But yesterday when market came down, okay, just look at this size of this red candle, and when market was forming this red candle, the selling pressure was very high. The sellers were very much dominating, so there was no point of going for buying order at this price level. So being a trader, it's your duty to understand the market psychology. Then only you should trade. So your first and foremost duty is to listen to my words carefully and then understand the market psychology. Before going for any buy order or any sell order, you should always wait for the confirmation, and I always repeat these words in my each and every video. I have got around more than 600 videos in my channel, and I have repeated these words in my 600 videos, that you should always wait for the confirmation so that you do not lose the money. Anyways, what should be a strategy for Monday then? Right now we can see that market is trading at this price level. Okay, this is our current market price. So if you want to take a small risk and go for a buy order here, then you can go for a buy order right now, but your stop loss will be below this level. Okay, below this level, below this line, at least below 0.7674. Okay, your stop loss will be below this level. Okay. And if you ask me, Avilash, is it a good trade? Then I'll say that this is not a good trade, because see, you're buying here, your stop loss is here. The gap is too much. For me, this gap is too much. in case the market would have been market would have bounced from here. Okay, in case the market would have bounced from here, then it would have been a good trade. But right now market has crossed the level, and right now market is lingering around the previous level. So the chart has become a little bit complicated, and as I always say, you should not invest your money on a chart that you do not understand. And this is a chart that is not in favor of my capital. Okay, so this is not a good position. If you want to take risk, you can take risk, but keep in mind that your stop loss will be below this level, 0.7674 level. And what will be your target? Your target will be this 0.7800. This is your maximum target. Okay, market may reverse also before reaching the particular price level, but uh, if you enter here, then this will be your target. And there's a good possibility also that market will reverse from this particular price level, 0.7750. Keep in mind market has resistance at this level, so there is a possibility that market may reverse from this level also. So there are many complications in this, complications in this chart. That's why I am not in favor of buying. In case market goes up, okay, in case market goes up and hit this particular level, okay, in case market goes up and hit this particular level, 0.7792 level or 90 level, and if market reverses from there, okay, if market reverses from there, then you may get a good selling opportunity. Otherwise, right now, after this red candle, things are not very pretty. Okay, things are not in favor of buy. So if market goes up and reverses from here, and if you see that market is reversing, if you get a confirmation in the form of a shooting star or a red candle, okay, red candle like this, or a price rejection from above, then you can go for a short order. You can short the market. Okay, you can easily short the market. Your stop loss will be above this level, above this high. Okay, then you can short the market. Okay, this will be a good trading opportunity. But right now, if you want to take a risk, you can take a risk. But if you ask me, Abhilash, what should I do? I'll say that you should not trade right now. Wait for the market to go up, hit this level and reverse. Then only you should get, or you'll get a good opportunity to trade this level. Otherwise, right now, the things are not that good. And as I always say, your loyalty should be towards always money making. Your loyalty should not be towards a particular currency. You are loyal to making money. You are not loyal to odd USD. It's not it. Therefore, if the chart does not suits you, leave it. You do not need to trade on a chart that you do not understand. Simple. Okay. So, so the decision is completely yours. Whether you want to trade here or wait for a good opportunity to trade here. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.